students, now let us move to question number 3. Question number 3. Question is, one of the following shows correct modification into tendril with the example, choose the correct answer. Which of the following plant is having tendril modification? That you have to tell. And the options they have given: stem, Lathyrus aphaca, floral buds, passiflora, leaf, Antigonon, leaf part of Gloriosa. Stem part of Lathyrus, floral buds of Passiflora, leaf of Antigonon, leaf part of Gloriosa. Question is, one of the following shows correct modification into tendril with the example. Choose the answer. Which of the following is having tendril modification? The answer for this is D. Answer they are saying is D, because leaf part is modified in, leaf part is modified in Gloriosa. Gloriosa. Leaf part is modified. Stem part is modified in, stem is modified into root in Passiflora, and floral buds is modified into root. It is in Antigonon, and leaf is modified in Lathyrus aphaca. Lathyrus aphaca. In some books, neat books, they use the term codex. It means unbranched erect stem. Unbranched erect stem. It is seen in coconut. It is seen in coconut plant. Then buds. There are different types of buds. Vegetative bud. It is seen in cabbage. Vegetative bud. It is seen in cabbage. Floral bud in cauliflower. Mixed bud in malus. We observe lateral buds. Lateral buds it may be of following type: axillary and accessory. Axillary buds and accessory buds. This axillary buds in sunflower, citrus and rose. Sunflower, citrus, rose. And accessory buds, cucurbita and bougainvillea. In this plant, bougainvillea plant. Adventitious buds It is seen in epiphyllous bud. There are following types. Epiphyllous. Epiphyllous bud. It is seen in bryophyllum. Bryophyllum. Colline bud. It is in Duranta. Duranta. Radical buds. It is seen in sweet potato. Collateral bud. It is seen in brinjal. Collateral bud, it is seen in brinjal. And then underground stem modification. Underground stem modification. Underground stem modification. As follows. Rhizome is underground modification. Rhizome. It is seen in ginger. Corm. It is in Amorphophallus. Stem tuber. Stem tuber. Potato. Bulb. Onion. Subaerial modification. Subaerial modification. Runner. Runner. Hydrocotyle and oxalis. You may wonder that why sir is telling all these things, he is elaborating the topic, because one thing you remember, 4 or 5 chapters they are included in this unit. So I should cover all aspects. That's why I am giving this much information related to each question. So, stolon, seen in Nerium plant, Nerium, and sucker, it is seen in Musa plant, and mentha, it is easy to remember, I think, mentha. Then offset, it is in Pistia and Acornia. Acornia. So underground modification and subaerial modification we might have seen. So next type of modification is aerial stem. Let us move for aerial stem. Aerial stem modification. Aerial stem modification. Under this tuberous stem, knoll plant, phylloclad, it is in opuntia, cladode, it is in ruscus plant, thorns, bougainvillea, stem tendril, passiflora. So this much you should remember. If you make a short note of this, no need to go for synopsis. Everything I have covered here. Then fourth question, question number 4. Non-green scale leaves occurring in underground stem with buds in their axil. I'll repeat the question. Non-green scaly leaves occurring in underground stem with buds in their axil are called option A, hypsophils, option B, prophils, option C, cataphils, option D, foliage leaves. So for this question, the answer for this fourth question is option C. Question number 4, answer is C. C, which is the answer? It is cataphilous leaves. There are following different types of leaves are there. One is called cotyledonary leaves. I think you might have seen this type of leaves in young plant, cotyledons, and it is most appropriate, well developed in resinous plant. Resinous, and it stores food storage is the function. Food storage. It provides the food for the developing plant. Then hypsophilous leaves. Hypsophilous leaves. It is in bougainvillea, where these leaves contain flower. Leaves with flower. Example, bougainvillea. Scale leaves. It is non-green part of the leaves. Non-green leaves. It is in bamboo grass. And prophilous leaves, first formed leaves. These are First formed leaves. First formed leaves. Then Cataphyllus, as I already told you, they are non-green, found in underground stem. Foliage leaves, Cataphyllus. Already I have given. Foliage leaves. These are involved in photosynthesis. They are involved in photosynthesis. Now let us concentrate on leaf bases. There are different types of leaf bases are found in the leaves. Let us recall it once again. Leaf base is also called hypopodium. Hypopodium is also called leaf base. Dear students, there are following different types of leaf bases are there. First one is pulvinous leaf base. Pulvinous leaf base. It is found in mango and banyan tree. Mango, banyan tree. Sheathing leaf base. Sheathing leaf base. It is found in maize and sugarcane and banana. Maize, sugarcane, banana. Then decurrent leaf base. This type of leaf base is found in Crotalaria. Crotalaria. And amplexical leaf base. It is found in Polygonum. Polygonum. And in stipules, there are three main types. Stipules, first one is Caducus example is Michaelia champaka. Michaelia. Second type of leaf is stipule is deciduous. It is found in Cassia. And persistent stipule. It is in Rosa indica. Rosa indica. Next, we should concentrate on petiole. Petiole. Here, winged petiole. First one, winged petiole. Citrus, and it will be like this. Winged petiole. And tendrilar petiole. Tendrilar petiole. It is like this. Tendrilar petiole. Then phyllodes. Tendrilar petiole is found in Nepenthes. Nepenthes. And then phyllodes. The structure of phyllodes will be like this. A leaf-like structure will arise first, and many small leaves at the tip. Phyllodes. It is in Australian acacia. Australian acacia. Then floating petiole. Floating petiole. In water plants that we observe this type of petiole. Floating petiole. It is in Acornia and plant. And I think you might have seen this in water. Pond water. People, they grow it for ornamental purpose. This type of plant which is having this type of leaves. Here you can see the bulged, which helps in floating. And so these are the different types of petioles. And next we'll see the venations. How many types of venations are there in the leaves, and what are the different types in the next video.